So once your course is ready, you will be able to see your course on the dashboard. So for example, this is one of your courses which are ready. So you have to configure these courses. So you'll go to the course. Let's say this is the course. You click on this. And for configuring your course, you have to come here on this setting button. If you click, you will get the first option, edit setting. Go to edit setting. And the first thing is that set your course name. So your course name should start with semester number. Let's say semester number is 59. Write underscore, then write the course ID. Let's say ITDB 201 underscore. Write the name of the course, web application development underscore, and then write the section number. So you can just write section 1. Let's see. So this is your course full name, and if you click here, you will get this. The full name of the course is displayed at the top of each page in the course and in the list of courses, because you will have not more one course, you will be teaching more than one courses. So first it will show a list of courses. So this name will be displayed in the list of courses, as well as when you open your course, on the top of the course, this name will come. Then you have course short name, and this short name of the course is displayed in the navigation and is used in the subject line of course email messages, because many times we will be able to send messages to our class list. So this short name will come there. So generally we keep the full name and the short name as same, doesn't matter. After that, you specify here whether the course will be visible to the students or not. Sometimes we create the course in the beginning of the semester, but we want that course should not be shown to the students. So if you want to hide the course, you can choose this option from here. If you want to show, choose show. If you want to hide, choose hide. So I will choose show here. And then you can specify the start date of the course and the end date of the course. So let's say if the course is starting on 18th of September 22, okay, so I can choose the start date and I can also choose the end date. So preferably choose the end date which is way beyond the end of the semester, or in fact you can keep some date which is just before the beginning of the next semester. So in this case I will just keep the end date of this course as, let's say, 31st, let's say January, and whatever date you want to choose. This is year 2020, let's say 3. So you'll have to see what is the plan for the course and set the date accordingly. I'm just giving one sample date here. Then you can write some course summary. So when you see list of courses, when the students see the list of courses, below the name of the course, if you want to give some description of the course, some message about the course, you can write here, and I'm leaving it blank. And this is the course image. So when the students see list of courses, if you want to display some image along with the course name, you can choose some image from here. So you can click here, and I'll just put some sample image here. Let's say, okay, let's put the bicycle picture here. But you choose appropriate image which reflects your course. And the next thing we can specify is the course format. So if you click here, we have some options, weekly wise or topics wise. But in our UTAS ABRI, we follow our course weekly wise. We use weekly format, and we specify what has to be done in every week. So this is the standard we will choose. We will be choosing weekly format. Okay, so don't choose any other format, choose weekly format. And then we can specify that some sections, some parts of the course, maybe you want to hide until some specific date or until some condition is met. So this is regarding that. So you can specify here that whether the links which you are hiding will be completely invisible to the students, or it will show something inactive link in the faded form. So you can just leave it default here. Otherwise you have options here. Hidden sections are shown in collapsed form, in the faded form, inactive links. But you can see the link. It will not work, but you can see the link. The student can see the link. And if you choose this option, hidden sections are completely invisible. So whatever quiz or something file, if you hide from the students, students will just not be able to see it. Okay, then you have a course layout, and here you decide whether you want to show all sections in one page, because your course, we are choosing weekly format. So our course will be, section means if you are choosing the weekly format, then every section means 1 week. So do you want to display all the weeks in your course, or you want to display only the that part of the page which shows only the contents of a particular section or a week? So the better option is we follow this, show all sections or all weeks on the page, so students can see information about all the weeks. So appearance, default values, nothing to change here. And here you can specify about the files and upload. So sometimes we ask the students to upload the assignment or quiz in the form of file. So we can put a maximum limit here. What is the maximum size of the file that the students can upload? So this restriction is for an individual. So if you put limit here, you can specify, right? So just think over it, that what is the maximum size of the file students may have to upload. Accordingly, you can put restriction. For example, if your course is related to something web technologies, so when the students make website, they have a lot of images and videos and a lot of files. So put an upper limit here. So maximum is 1 GB. So you can choose 1 GB, and then if you specify 1 GB here, this is general setting. And if you make some assignment where they have two assignments where they have to upload the file, for every assignment you can set a new value for that, but of course that value should be less than what value you are setting for the whole course. So this is in general. In this course you can upload maximum 1 GB file, but when you make assignment you can reduce the limit for those particular assignments. Okay, if you want to track the activities of the course, so you can specify here enable completion tracking. So as and when the students participate in quizzes and assignments, and when they open the files, when they read the files, when they download the files, it can keep track of how much course you have finished, right? And you can also put conditions, that what will be the conditions that will decide whether a particular activity is complete or not. For example, if you have a quiz, you can specify that if a student participates in a quiz, the activity should be considered as complete. Or you can put a condition that if when the student gets the marks or grades for that particular activity, then it should be considered as complete. So these settings we will discuss when we set the assignments or activities. Okay, so the remaining things you can just leave by default, and then you can click save and display, and this will configure your course. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can always contact the e-learning coordinators. Thank you.